Okay, lesson 89 is on analyzing prisms. Now, a prism is a three-dimensional solid that has two congruent bases. And these congruent bases are parallel. The shape of each pair of bases can be any type of polygon. And the shape of the base determines the name of the prism. Okay? The word base does not mean the bottom of the figure. The bases in these shapes here are front and back. Okay? So for A, this is called a triangular prism because the two congruent and parallel bases are triangles. So triangular prism. Rectangular prism, okay, it's because the two bases are rectangle. Trapezoidal prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, and octagonal prism. Okay, they're all based off of what shape is on the base. Okay, so this first question asks which prisms, A through F, have all parallel rectangular faces. So you're looking for ones that have rectangular faces only. So that means it can't be A because that has triangles. B has only rectangles because remember a square can be a rectangle. C does not, it has a trapezoid. D does not because it's a pentagon. E and F are not. So only figure B has all parallel rectangular faces. On the next problem, it says which prisms A through F have congruent rectangular faces, which means that the congruent means they're the same size. So if we look at A, the rectangular faces here on the side do look to be the same size. So we know that A is going to be one of them. And it has two congruent rectangular faces. Okay? Prism B has four congruent rectangular faces because each of the sides is congruent. Okay. Prism C also has two congruent rectangular faces, and that's going to be here on the left and right sides. Those two sides are congruent. D, E, and F also have all rectangular faces that are congruent because all of the bases of these polygons are regular, which means that they are the same, which means that everything has to be the same size. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.